somebody packing up.
Well, just
unpacking, not packing, unpacking up.
Again and again and again. Look, how good's our instant tent? Can you hold that for a second?
Not really.
Right here. Thank you, Carlos.
Carlos.
Well, a drink. Would you like a drink?
I would like a drink. Do you know where's the lemons?
Lemonaki?
Lemonaki, I've got mint as well there.
Where are the lemons?
Eh?
Where are the lemons?
It is where I've got all the herbs. Somewhere there, I think I've got
In the
a
car.
lemon in the car.
Okay.
I think. Alright. Yes. Take some ice. Alright, are you ready now?
I'm ready.
300 grams of plain flour. And I'm going to add a little bit extra virgin olive oil. That is enough. Half. You have to take all the flour from the corners of your plate. We just sprinkle around and around flour. Ah!
What was that, fairy tale?
Fairy tale. You see this? It's a beautiful dough. As circle as we can. That was horrible. Oh, follow me.
Is it a fairy tale?
It was a fairy tale.
You're gonna freaking destroy it.
Don't put too much now.
Italiano olive oil. It's not gonna work, is it? It seems very difficult in this pad.
1, 2, 3. Ah. Fucking hell.
Oh no, this is what
That's a nice pizza. Who told you to come over here?
Psycho.
Psycho.
Yeah.
That's enough. Some tomato. That is it.
Scissors on the pizza. I've never seen this one before. Is this a Greek thing? Babe, aren't there the scissors that you cut my nails with?
Oh yeah.
My toenails.
I forgot about it. Oh well, a little bit of protein. More. It is. Absolutely delicious. Well, you know what? Is it delicious? Let's try. So good. Good morning. Have a look over there, the spider webs. Over there. It's gorgeous. That's it.
This is it. Our tent.
Our
It's been
beautiful
good to
tent.
us.
It was beautiful.
I'm
Our
quite
beautiful
glad
tent.
to see it go though.
Eh?
I'm quite glad to see it go though. But it has actually been a really nice tent. Really easy to set up. Really easy to pack down. Oh, And the broken leg.
And the broken leg.
We got it from Kmart, $40, and we've lived out of it for 2 weeks. 2 weeks?
2 weeks, yeah.
Yeah, and it's just been absolutely perfect. The thing about this is when you know, if you don't camp that often, you can use it for one camping trip, and then either give it to a homeless person or throw it in the bin. So right now we're heading to the recycling centre to offload all our camping stuff because this is the end of this part of the trip.
Yes!
So yeah, we're going to offload everything.
And we're here.
It's going in. Our thing.
Oh my god, I hate throwing all little stuffs.
Oh, your flour?
No, you throw it. Throw it, I'm not gonna use it.
You're not? You don't want to make it do ropitakia today?
Yeah, well I'll use a little bit, so I'll leave it here. And I will take as much as I need for 2 people. Ah! It's my dress. Or 10.
Come here.
How much is the water?
Holy shit, what is that on top of your head?
Take it away. Take it.
It's already gone. Mosquito.
I hate the mosquitoes. It's beautiful. It's nice. It's not cold. It's not hot. It's perfect. Ah, you know what? Here I've got the beer. Cheers! BB! It's my favorite beer. Now he is doing as well video for the YouTube as well. Yeah, we start a YouTube channel and we love it. Extra virgin olive oil, salt, oregano, regani. I think that's the last one. I think I get really exciting and I cut too many cheap potatoes. That's alright. After that, I'm good. We love garlic, don't we?
We do.
Have a look, this tzatzikaki here. What
Someone
we see,
literally just asked, where are you?
I have no idea.
Gunda Windy.
Gande windy. No, where are we?
Gunda guy.
Gande guy. Πω, ποιος θα φάει αυτό το πιτόγυρο? Εγώ και εσύ μόνο. Δεν βλέπω κανέναν άλλον. Only you and me we're gonna see it. We're gonna chicken with salt, pepper, what I said before, oregano, thyme, sumac, little bit of squeeze of lemon, right? What else? It's really hot. Ready, so delicious. Actually, it's amazing. Oh, where are you going, little chicken? Come inside here. Doesn't need too much. Nice, delicious, crispy. Look at this color. Παναγία μου. This one needs more time. But
Golden, damn.
it's gorgeous or what? I'm gonna add now some salt. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Eh, the potatoes need salt. The potatoes need salt. Look here, guys. Have a look at this. These bubbles.
Are you gonna flip that one?
I'm going to. Give it 2 seconds and just put it in. 1, 2, 3. This is so good. This is actually really good. Homemade pita bread. Ella, τέλειο. Look at this. Gorgeousness. That's for you, cameraman. Sorry, cameraman. Tomatula. Here. Couple of them. Έτσι. Δεν τζιγκωνευόμαστε. Δεν τζιγκωνευόμαστε.
I'm right, I don't want any chips in it, thanks.
You don't want a chips on it? Are you from Athens? That's your pitogyro. Delicious. Ella, that's for you. This is the homemade pitogyro. Pita bread, chicken, potatoes, onions. Do you enjoy it?
So good, babe. Incredible. It actually is.
See you later, guys. We're going to enjoy our dinner over here. So, Wills is in a meeting, in a very serious meeting, and he's got the meeting back in his van. Look at this.
15 years. Yeah.
Is it your parents' business?
It is.
That's the outfit.
Yeah, it's the father's business. Well, parents,
yeah,
they're both own together.
Yeah, that's why I lead the tax return.
Oh, that's a good meeting. That's a very serious meeting. And actually it is a serious meeting, but he doesn't really give a shit how he looks or when he's got the meeting. Last.
Yeah.